Hi, in this video I will show you how to block private number or any number on the Samsung. So process is almost same for the all Android devices. So if you want to block any number on your Android phone, you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your phone and you have to search for the one number you want to block. So right now, to give you an example, I block 2230 number. Just for an example, you can select any number. You have to tap a while on it, and once you will tap a while on it, you will see multiple options are appear here, like copy number, edit number before call, and also you will see block and the report spam. Simply you have to click on the block, and now you have to click on the block again. So now you will see it's mentioned as the block, so you will not receive any messages, calls from this number now. So if you block any private number on the Samsung or on any Android device, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.